So here is how we can mark a photo on the Android phone. Let me explain it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so we can get started. So when we get inside our gallery, you can see all of the images and everything you might have stored on your phone. And once you open up the image in the full screen, you'll see a couple of buttons below. So you can see in my case, I have the ability to click the heart icon to make it a part of my favorites and so on. So many options, but one of them is going to be the pen tool. So you can see right there, I can click on the pen or pencil tool and we get to this edit interface. Right, so this is the place where you can rotate the image and apply some filters or change the brightness and so many other things as well. But the option in here is the fourth one on the list is for editing in terms of drawing, right? So as you can see, we can choose like different colors, different pens, thickness, opacity. You know, you have the ability to choose any color from the template, right? Or from the image like so, right? And you can just start drawing on the image. That's how you can mark up on it. That's how you can add things like your arrows, your drawings, whatever. And as you can see, we also have plenty of tools like the eraser is here too. There is the different size of like of the pens and stuff. So yeah, plenty of things you can do. Just hit save when you're done, and that's basically it. And now that's essentially it. You can do it for other things as well, like for other pictures you might have stored, right? So it's literally the same thing. You go to the edit and switch to this like drawing tool, and you can you know, add stuff and just draw it like this. And yeah, that's how it works. I hope that I was able to explain it. For more thoughts or questions about this, leave them below. For more tutorials, subscribe so you don't miss them, and I'll see you later.